Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I will show you some of my shopping that I have done in this market. I have bought some of the footpath nurseries, some of the flower plants that I bought in Kolkata, and most of the places same types of plants you can get and in the almost same price. Now I will tell you what we have bought today. The first plant I have bought is night blooming jasmine. This is called Parijat or Harsingar. This is a plant from cutting and I bought it in 50 rupees, and this is around the year you can get the flowers from here. And you see the small plant from the cutting. This is the flower white and some orange pattern flower, and they bloom in the night and fall or drop in the early in the morning or dawn time, and very popular and lots of medicinal importance of these plants. Next item I will show you the petunia in 5-inch pot. You can get in 25 to 30 rupees each, and the plants are ready. You can grow it in this pot only, or if you want you can transplant in 10-inch flat pot, and every day you can get 30 to 40 flowers from them, and they are non-pinching variety. You don't have to do any kind of pinching here. If you want you can do pinching, but this is the variety not suitable for pinching. And some of the plants I have bought from small pot. These are in 3-inch pot, so I bought it in 15 rupees each. So there are lots of branches. You can see in this small plant how many branches has occurred, and every day you can get beautiful flowers from this petunia. The next plant I show you the pansy. This is in a 1.5-inch pot, and I bought it in 10 rupees each. They are like some butterfly flowers, beautiful, some important seedlings here. Next item I show you dianthus. This is the very nice, and they come from 8 to 10 color varieties you can get in dianthus, and they're 10 rupees each. They are the beautiful plants. Now I show you aster. This is like chrysanthemum like flowers plants, and they bloom up to April and May. You can get the flowers from here. Aster 10 rupees each, and the plants are bent because of the transplantation, and they will be very nice within a day. So now next item show you, this is the small plants of this pansy, and I bought in 5 rupees each. Pansies are also very nice. You can grow it in 3-inch pot, and later on you can shift it in bigger pot. These are the plants from the calendula. So this is a 5 rupees each, and they bloom in 3 color varieties are there. The plants are a little bit disturbed, but tomorrow they will be okay. So this is around orange, yellow and whitish color flowers you can get. The next item I show you, this is the impatiens. They are one of my favorite flowers, and you can every pot every day you can get 40 to 50 flowers. They in 10 to 12 color varieties, and like petunia you can grow in the same soil mix, same kinds of pot, and they branch a lot, and every day you can get 40 to 50 flowers from this impatiens. Impatiens are one of the best flowers for winter season flower. Up to April you can get flowers. Some of this fertilizer I bought is super phosphate 5 rupees packet, and some neem cake powder 5 rupees packet. And one item I bought, this is the insecticide, chemical insecticide, not the chemical, organic insecticide Kaka. This is for insects, mites, thrips, every kind of insect that attack you can apply. You can apply on your vegetable plants also, fruit plants also. This is the totally organic product, and in A185 written, and I bought it in rupees 150. And if you want you can spray it 1 ml per liter once in 15 days, and you can control all kinds of thrips, mites, insects, whiteflies, every kinds of insect attack. You can save your plants from this insect. And another thing I bought, this is the Epsom salt and magnesium sulfate. This is very helpful for photosynthesis of your plant. And some item I am showing you, see, this is the vermicompost that I have bought 10 rupees per kilo. So these are all these items I have bought today, and many things I have to bring more for the winter flowers. Though I have lots of plants in my garden, but this is the house, I have to make some videos. And another thing I have bought is the flower tower. This is basically a fruit stand, but we'll convert it in petunia flower tower in this later, and I will upload the video on that also in some day, how to make the flower tower of petunia or many of the pansy or some impatiens. You can get the lots of flower from there. So this is the all today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with dear and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you so much.